I'm here first because I'm always early. So yeah, I got the 4 girls with me. Yeah, be fun. Pam, what are you doing? There's a couple of people have dropped out that I thought would come in, but this will be enough of us to be a nice walk. Little Miss Pumpkin Pie. Finn has just pulled in with Floki. I think she's the first one to arrive. I did nag her.
I think I'd be tired with as many dogs.
Technically, I got more, but she called me mad for having another puppy, and then she buys another horse.
Oh no, where is she?
Oh, the puppy? She's not old enough yet. She gets her second jabs a week Tuesday. So, yeah, next one she'd be with us.
What one that is, what one that one is. Sea odds. I don't know.
Dolphin.
Oh.
So they can stay up there.
And his confidence around them. He's playing with Skylar. Hey. Get him out of here! You can play too.
I know, isn't it?
Skylar's got Arthur, who's her brother. And they play rough all the time. Yeah. Because Sky, she's like, can I, shall I? So I'm gonna get you.
Come on, get up.
Raven's gonna get you.
Ollie, Oliver,
Yeah.
sunbathing here. Right.
She's due September as well. She's up with that. She's quite, you're on the leads. She's quite,
Part of the pack now, isn't she? You guys all having fun? Good boy, Lou. Noisy mix.
Yeah.
She's a bit worried by her.
There's something about her.
Oh, Nolly, you were so boring.
Oh, you're just beautiful, aren't you?
let's go on the sandy bed.
And you realise you've not really filmed a lot. Never mind. We'll get going now. Gonna say Skylar's always up for a good run, isn't she? She's like, I'm a midget and with little legs pick me up. Does she? Get her pumps! Go play, pumpkin! Go get her pumps! Not that one. She tells you off. Straight in. Yeah, Floki's a water baby as well. Pumpkin's off. The speed on them when they get going is mad, isn't it? So you were going next week to Tredegar. We can have a mini meet up there as well, can't we? You gonna jump the waves? You go on a dip.
Oh my God!
Nana!
I think I'm playing out to single.
Yeah, I don't think my end's as deep as it.
Oh, they're doing back to school.
It's a bit cold. It's gone over my wellies a bit. Did he get you? Wait. Wait. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's not just a little bit in there, is she? Get floats. You got excited then, didn't you? You laughed. Hey, she's got her feet cut. Good girl, Sky. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Still not convinced, is he? Hey, good boy! He's like, no. He's doing it, but he's not sure about it, is he? He's having good fun with Skylar. Yeah, I suggested it so much to them to come here. God, Finn.
We used to go and buy a ride like that.
Do you? Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Float ones next to us if you think about it.
How do you know you had that? I would have brought Phoebe. She could have, yeah. She could have gone on the wet because it's all cleaned, isn't it? Well, next time. Actually, next time she's big enough to come anyway. She'll be 11 weeks on Tuesday. No, she's having her second jabs a week on Tuesday. She's gonna get you again today at some point. Raven, come on. Go get him. Go get him, guys. Go get him. That's okay.
You see them two sort themselves there?
Soggy. It's not sandy, it's just soggy. Funny if anybody's running or doing something, Skylar will float you with them. Having fun, Pie. I know you are, yeah. Maria. Get him, Maria. Handle that well. Pod and Nala have both gone like face planted because they've been running flat out and noticed one of these.
Where they're solid, the sandwiches.
Well, and all these like. What happened, Blue? He's just jumping them all.
Okay, come here.
I think it is probably the dog's favourite place to come. Yeah. See if the Chihuahua can do it. You're good.
No, she can quite make it though.
I did say to them, if we have to produce a blue eye, they can keep them. I'm not going to buy them.
Yeah, it's fine.
So I'm going to keep them for everything.
No,
I'm joking.
I'd literally frame you.
See, that's the hard thing.
Choosing.
Well, not just choosing, but like being disciplined enough not to.
Yeah.
No worries, she's got
And I
me
think
here.
as well, you got to like try and not let your heart decide if you breed into showing it, so you
But that's
choose which one's like.
that doesn't. Because you choose him for show, that's the one your heart goes for as well.
Yeah.
But deciding or being strict enough with yourself to not keep from a litter is hard.
We've kept from every jack we've bred,
Yeah.
and I think I don't think my parents kept from every box of litter actually.
You trip your blast, hey?
Pumpkin would never do such a thing. Never jump up on you, give you kisses, cover you in sand.
I had the two of them jump up.
The buggers. Never had two like them for jumping up. Oh, that's
So
boring
anything
and that's
like
nothing, is
remotely
it?
sweet now, he's like, oh my leg.
You get fit by doing all this, mind.
This is it. And I feel awful. He's like, oh, stop walking.
But he is, like, you know, he's fine.
I don't know what that is over there. I think it's
Helicopter, plane.
one of those houses. No, it's a bit like that. Can't see that far.
Oh, there's so many places
See who jumps on you when you're down.
Pumpkins are like, oh
Yeah, pumpkin will.
Oh, look at that. Super legs.
Hey, you caught up.
Hello. Hello, you here.
How long the soil's coming back?
I don't know.
Hang on.
Oh, it's a real path now.
Do you go left or right? Right and then left.
Yeah, so I was thinking. Sister's leading the way. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Find it.
I actually got a good shot on my wall, so I did good. You keep on turning around as if I was hitting.
Good girl, Aria. Good girl. Yeah, Aria. Aria. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey.
No. Oh my god, I don't see how deep I want to go in. I wonder how deep you can go in.
I don't want to go any deeper because I won't be able to sit in the car.
I'm gonna actually go in the water.
Pumpkin swimming. Nana. Come on, Aria. Good girl. Good girl. Nana. Nana. I think she's wet enough. She's swimming.
Oh my god, yeah.
I might drive home barefoot. I might drive home barefoot. It's alright, ready. Guys!
She does so well though, considering like how far it is for them, isn't it? It's the Jack Russell legs. Keep her going. Oh, she's not full Chihuahua then? No.
Manu,
Yeah.
you know it's a plant in the world in an Amazon rainforest.
Wow.
Like, it's like we found.
Good guess, guys.
And it might be and it'll
She won't give food, you eat that. If you give her a bowl of food, she won't.